Hi there, this is Seb from Regton, and this is a video on how to pair your MI6 Pinpointer with your Icon or Icon X. So first thing we'll do is we'll grab the remote control and we're going to go through until you find Pinpointer. If there's no Pinpointer paired, it will be flashing. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the cog button. Okay, and you'll now get this kind of signal going around, and you want to grab your MI6 at the same time and just hold down the power button. Keep on holding it. It takes around 8 seconds. It says OK. It will now show you the serial number of the pinpointer, and now pinpointer and the MI6 are paired. So it will come wirelessly through your headphones. If you do want to remove your pinpointer from your Icon X, you hold the cog, then hold the minus key, and it will say delete.